This is an ABP Life podcast.
A lot has happened, not just in India, but around the globe. Let's talk about it in today's Let's Catch Up. This is Nakshadra and you are listening to ABP Life podcast. The Bharatiya Janata Party on Thursday appointed new state presidents in Bihar and Rajasthan. While Rajya Sabha MP Madan Rathod has been appointed state president of Rajasthan, Dilip Jaiswal MLC is the state unit president in Bihar. Jaiswal, who is currently the Revenue Land Reforms Minister in Bihar, has also been the state treasurer of the party for 20 years. He is also in charge of Sikkim BJP and the managing director of Mata Gujari Memorial Medical College at Kishanganj. The Supreme Court on Friday extended its interim orders staying the directives from the Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh governments requiring eateries along the Kawad Yatra route to display the names and identities of owners and staff. A bench of Justice Rishikesh Roy and SVN Bhatti said it won't issue any clarification on the July 22 orders as we have said what needed to be said on 22 July. Can't force anyone to disclose names. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday defended the Agnipath scheme and amid fresh calls for scrapping the military recruitment plan that cuts tenure after viewer service benefits, saying it aims to rejuvenate the armed forces and keep them continually fit for war. He said an important dream was fulfilled through the scheme. Announcements have also been made to give priority to Agniveers in the private sector and paramilitary forces, he said in his speech after visiting the war memorial at Dras to pay tribute to the men who laid their lives fighting Pakistani intruders in Kargil in 1999. Minister of State, Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, Jitin Prasad told the Rajya Sabha on Friday that the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team is in touch with the Apple company to resolve the issue of alleged state-sponsored hacking that was raised by opposition leaders last year. In October-November 2023, several opposition leaders claimed that they have received threats on their mobile phones from iPhone maker Apple Incorporation, warning them for a potential state-sponsored cyber attack. Former US President Barack Obama and wife Michelle on Friday endorsed incumbent Vice President Kamala Harris for the post of US President. Michelle Obama, the former First Lady, said, "I'm so proud of my girl Kamala. Barack and I are so excited to endorse her as a Democratic nominee because of her positivity, sense of humor and ability to bring light and hope to people across the country. We have got your back." The situation remains dire for children of legal immigrants, particularly Indian Americans who face the risk of deportation when they turn 21 due to aging out of their dependent status. Approximately 250,000 such children, many of them Indian, could be forced to leave the US despite the having lived there since childhood. The letter signed by 43 lawmakers urged the Biden administration to take action to protect children of green card applicants from deportation due to aging out. One person was killed and another seriously injured when a base at a firework factory in Bulgaria set off a series of dramatic explosions late at the Thursday, local officials and medical staff said. The blast began at around 6:30 p.m. in the town of Elin Pelin near the capital Sofia, sending mushroom clouds high into the evening sky, some flaked with the reds and whites of exploding fireworks. Several reports have resurfaced about actor Ajit Kumar working with filmmaker Prashant Neel in the KGF universe. However, Ajit's manager Suresh Chandra has denied these claims, saying that while the actor-filmmaker did have a meeting, no film was discussed during that meeting. According to several reports, Ajit Kumar and Prashant Neel will work with a standalone film, what will be connected to Kannada stars Yash Films' KGF. Actor Janhvi Kapoor has responded to whether she would like to feature in Mr. India 2, a sequel to the 1987 cult classic Mr. India. Speaking in an interview, Janhvi also shared her opinion on whether there should be a sequel of the film or not. Mr. India started Janhvi's late mother Sridevi and uncle Anil Kapoor in the lead role. Menka Irani, mother of filmmakers Farah Khan and Sajid Khan, has died. She was 79. The heartbreaking news came after days after the Farah had revealed in a social media post that her mother had undergone multiple surgeries. More details are awaited. Of all the innings that Jasprit Bumrah can do on cricket field, captaincy holds a special place in his heart. He is a magician with a ball, often described by many, including the legendary Sunil Gavaskar, as a once-in-a-generation bowler. But even a magician had desires and captaincy in one of Bumrah's. He is favourite captain, so much so that he can qualms in a taking name while answering the rapid-fire question, the greatest Indian captain ever. The Paris Olympics are set to open a spectacular and unprecedented ceremony on the River Seine on Friday, but hours before the Snow France rail network was paralyzed by what officials said were acts of sabotage. The parade on July 26 evening will see up 7,500 competitors travel down a 6-kilometer stretch of the scene of the flotilla of 85 boats. Placed in a pool of death, the Indian men's hockey team will have to punch above its weight to better the color of the bronze medal from the previous edition when it opens in Paralympics campaign against New Zealand on July 27. The expectations are high from the Indians after they managed to break a 41-year-old medal jinx at Tokyo Olympics by bagging a historic bronze. No change in the gold prices were seen today on July 26. The price of gold today is 6,415 per gram for 22 karat gold and 6,995 per gram for 24 karat gold. Today the Sensex showed a rise by 1.60% and closed the day at 81,324.37, while the Nifty also showed a rise by 1.73% and closed the day at 24,828.40. That's all for today.
This is an ABP Life podcast.